Peugeot is planning to revamp the 508 model for its third generation as an all-electric vehicle, as part of its comprehensive overhaul. Starting from 2025, the company's electric cars will adopt the new Stellantis STLA modular EV platform instead of the previous PSA Group architecture. Although Peugeot clarified that it has no plans to produce the Inception concept car, the car's design concept is similar to the current MK2 508 model, which will be replaced by the first STLA-based EV. The future of the 508 model has been uncertain due to declining sales in the traditional D-segment saloon and estate markets, resulting in competitors such as the Ford Mondeo, Vauxhall Insignia, and Volvo S60 exiting the market. However, Peugeot CEO Linda Jackson stated that the company has no intention of discontinuing model lines during its transformation. She expressed that they aim to maintain the same range of models and refresh each model as they progress. The replacement for the 508 is expected to retain its name, but it will undergo significant styling changes and minor repositioning to enhance its popularity and align it more closely with future models that draw inspiration from the Inception concept car.